What is up, everybody? Happy Monday to you. I want to take a quick second here to make a video on how to use Facebook Messenger bots. Okay. So the key here is we want to automate lead generation to make life easier. So this is virtually a personal assistant collecting information for your prospects to qualify them. So the way this works is you can either make a post on your Facebook page or also an ad using Facebook. And when they click it, we send them to Facebook Messenger, which is essentially text messaging on Facebook. So here's what we've done here. So this is for a campaign where you want to find people renting homes and find them properties where their mortgage would be similar to their rent. So it's basically rentals to home ownership campaigns. Now, check this out. So when somebody initiates the chat bot, I've already gone through the sequence, so I'm going to go through this quickly. It says, hey there, Rahul, my name is Gizmo and Ken is my owner. Let's get you a list of homes that you can own for the same price of renting. Click find my homes below. So when I click find my home, it triggers a sequential messages here. So we have, hi, my name is Gizmo, I'm a bot, I'll be assisting you, etc. Click find my home to get started. So now we've triggered all this automation sequences. So nobody's typing this. This is all happening automatically. Your consumer is just selecting the options we choose to show them right in front of their face. So when are you looking to purchase a home? We can put time frames like I chose now. You can put 1 month, 6 months, 12 months, etc. Price ranges. Again, this was from a pick list. I put 600 to 800,000. Have you been pre-approved? Yes. What size home are you looking for? Square footage, 2,000 to 2,500. These are all pick lists. So when I say a pick list, that means when this question gets asked, they have options. 1,000 square feet to 1,500, 1,500 to 2,000, 2,000 to 2,500. Those are all interchangeable. So we can make it even bigger depending on where your market is and what your ideal customer buys from you or where you work with. How many minimum bedrooms do you need? 3. How many bathrooms do you need? 2. Now, before I keep going, look how cool this is. This is all happening automatically. You no longer have to get this information over the phone or have your assistant or start chasing people around, playing phone tag, text message tag, email tag, whatever game of tag it is. This just connects you and your client in absolute real time. So right when they click your ad, it goes right to this, and you just collected all of this information as if you had your own like awesome, probably the perfect personal assistant in the history of personal assistants. But anyways, continue to go. Which city are you looking to live in? Camarillo. What is your best email? You enter it. What is the best phone number? You enter it. The consumer enters it. Now here is a summary of everything that they sent that this chatbot will recap with them. Fantastic. Have all the information. This is the info I'm going to pass on. Meaning when it says pass on, that means to you. You are going to get all of this information in real time, knowing exactly what this particular person wants when it comes to home ownership and buying a home. So isn't this pretty cool stuff here where you can actually get their time frame now, their exact price range, they've been pre-approved, you've got the details of their home, and you didn't do anything other than putting this chatbot together or having us do it for you and then putting it right in front of ideal customers, getting in front of the eyeballs. So when we compare this to park benches or billboards or magazines or whatever it may be, this is not possible. But when it comes to technology with Facebook Messenger, we can use the artificial intelligence to create these questions and answers so you only get the hot leads. So you can either, whether you're a broker, you can distribute this and get commissions off of the agents that are going to do all the work on follow-up. Or if you're a real estate agent yourself, these are all leads that come to you. And there's a few steps further. Check this out. Schedule a call, connect it directly to your calendar. Imagine that somebody goes through, gives you their ideal information while you're sleeping. This goes on 24/7. It could be 2 in the morning when they're enjoying their buyer journey by themselves. It could be a Sunday night. It could be any time of the week, any time of the day. This will work 24/7. And it just works. So now here's another thing that we've added. Hi, it's Rahul. I'm busy at the moment, but I wanted to take a minute to let you know that I've received all your information about the type of home you're looking for. So that just gives them a confirmation that you have acknowledged it. And then we have a follow-up message, meaning if they did not click this schedule call button, we have an automatic trigger that will follow up so they actually take the action you want them to take. So that's the cool stuff. And we can take this so much further in sense of connecting this actual chat to a follow-up system so it'll automatically email them as well. We can automatically send text messages from you to the customer to their cell phone, booking the appointment, scheduling a tour, trying to get them in touch with you so you don't have to chase. And we can do this at scale. Scale simply means if we were generating 10 leads a month, 20, 50, 100 leads per month, all nurturing them, this is the information you would receive. And we would get people to book with you as best as possible so the chase does not start. So that's how chat bots work using Facebook Messenger. And if anybody is interested, just drop us a message, get in touch with Cody or I, and we'll walk you through how to implement this for your business. Have a great day.